Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Uforia review. You're probably looking at this company, someone told you about it, and you're trying to figure out is it legitimate or not. I'm going to give you an overview here in just a minute, and then if you stick around until the end, I'm going to give you some great keywords that you can market this business on YouTube. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the Uforia review. I'm not a part of this company, but I just, like I said, wanted to give you an overview to help you make a decision. What exactly is Uforia? It is an MLM company in the health and wellness industry. It was launched in October of 2017. That was a soft launch. I'm not exactly sure. I couldn't find when it officially launched, but I'm pretty sure it was in 2018. If anyone knows the exact date, go ahead and post in the comments below this video. The company sells two products, a DNA kit, and then they sell the supplements based on your DNA. So the CEO is Ron Williams, and he partnered with Terry LaCour. The company is headquartered in Utah, and Eric Worre is the official trainer for Uforia Science. So if he's partnered with the company, you know it's legitimate because he is very, very successful in the network marketing industry and as a trainer. So that's a good sign. The product is unique, so that's good as well. The product is the You Start DNA kit and then the nutrition supplements. So you're going to pay $159 to get your DNA test kit, which is a lot less than you would pay if you went to a doctor to get it tested. And then you pay $99 for the analysis of your DNA, and it's just going to be a saliva sample, so it's really easy to do. And then the lab processes your DNA, and I think it's like two to 3 weeks, something like that. And then your genetic data is used to generate a personalized report. And that is plant-based ingredients. There's 71 ingredients in this supplement, and that's a 30-day supply called nutrition. So I did list out all the ingredients here, and I'll leave a link to this blog post in the description below the video. But you want to take a look at all these because you want to make sure that someone's not allergic to this. And I would just, as a precautionary thing, is to have somebody check with their doctor before they take these supplements as well, because you just never know if someone will have a reaction to it. So there's quite a few, because some people may be allergic to mushrooms or different things in here. So just want to point that out. So that's the product, is the DNA kit and then the supplements that go along with that. So the cost to join is $39.95 to become an affiliate, and then you need to purchase 100 personal volume per month to get started to get commissions. So you're either going to pay $159 a month for your 100 personal volume, but you can also have one active customer, so that'll qualify you to get the commissions. I'm not going to go through the compensation plan, but I did leave a link here. If you want to read the PDF, it goes into detail as far as the cost for the kits here and how many QVs and CVs you get, but the compensation plan is listed out here in detail as far as the percentages and different levels. So you can read through that. Also, I left a video here, and it's very, excuse me, very detailed on the compensation plan, so you can look at that as well. The income disclosure statement I could not find, probably because it's such a new company, but any network marketing company should have an income disclosure statement stating how much people are making. The majority of people with the network marketing business are making very little. That's the huge percentage is at the very bottom. And then, of course, there'd be some people at the very top making a lot of money. But the reason that I believe that people generally, 90-some% of people don't make good money with network marketing companies is because you're taught things that are outdated, like just to go talk to friends and family, make a list of people that you know, and that can only get you so far, and you can't just post your link on Facebook and expect people to join or want to buy your products, because there's a lot of network marketing companies out there, and people don't like to be sold, they like to buy, and even if they're your friends and family, they may not join you. And most people are spending more money than they're making Now this is great because the auto ship is $159. That's not very much compared to what you'll pay for supplements. I pay a lot more than that. You're going to run out of friends and family to talk to very quickly. And in order to make a large income, you're going to need to be selling a lot of products or having a lot of people join Uforia. But it is good in that they're going to continue to take the product if they like it. So that's going to be your residual income. But you need to put yourself in front of people who are actually interested in starting a home-based business in the health and wellness industry, because a lot of people will say they want to make money from home, but not a lot of people know what's involved in building a home-based business once they get into it, and all the people that you need to talk to and everything you need to do. It's kind of like trying to sell a steak to a vegetarian. You know, they tell you to just talk to lots and lots of people, and then people will join. And that is true, but there's a lot better way to do it when you talk to targeted people in your target market. Just a little bit about my story. If you haven't seen it in some of my other videos, I'm not with an MLM now. I do affiliate marketing, but I started with an MLM back in 2007. Thought I was going to get rich, leave my job as a physical therapist. That did not happen. I was told to have travel parties, and then when I ran out of people to talk to, I had my neighbors have travel parties, and that was so uncomfortable. No one was joining, and uncomfortable for both of us. But no one was booking on my site either, like they say in the meetings that, you know, you'll have this business card and people just start booking on your site. That was not the case. A lot of times people would forget that I had a travel site. I ran out of friends and family to talk to very quickly. Then we were taught by the leaders in our area to go out to malls and talk to strangers and invite them to meetings. And everyone said they were going to come, and no one showed up. And then we were taught to tape our flyer in front of people who were pumping their gas at gas stations so that they would come to meetings. That didn't work out so well. Went to job fairs thinking that people that were out of work would want to start a home-based business. That maybe eventually you could find somebody in a whole bunch of people, but that was not the case either. So I decided, well, in order to talk to a lot of people, let me just tape my business card on a bunch of people's mailboxes. So I took my daughters out. We taped them on so many mailboxes. An elderly gentleman called me up, absolutely livid, that when he took the paint, it took the paint off his mailbox when he took my business card off. So he called me up, because my number was on there, and he was super mad at me. So that didn't work out so well. So I thought, let me buy some MLM leads, because these are people who actually want to join an MLM business. That was not the case. Very uncomfortable. No one wanted to join. Again, they just wanted to make money from home. Those leads didn't work out for me very well. So then I started marketing on the internet, and I didn't know what I was doing, so basically I was just chasing people on the internet, and that didn't work out. So I was forced to take a very extended leave from marketing due to family health reasons, some very severe family health reasons. And then I was basically forced to come back online last summer in 2018, and I wanted to make it work, so I hired a coach, and I wanted to learn how to do YouTube marketing. So some of my results since last summer is I generate targeted leads every day. I've had $1,000 and $2,000 days on autopilot. I have people coming to me wanting to join me rather than me chasing them. And my videos rank generally on the first page of YouTube, and a lot of times they rank #1 for targeted keywords. So I wanted to share with you my ideas for you. I think YouTube would be a great way to market Uforia, especially since it is unique. And I would recommend you start a YouTube channel and base it around things that have to do with health and nutrition, so you could become like the trusted expert. People come to you wanting to find out about health and nutrition. Then you can also build an email list of people who are interested in starting a home-based business. So you can have a call to action at the end of your videos and say, if you're interested in starting a business in health and wellness, click on the first link in the description below the video. You can capture their name and email and have them on an email list and market to them down the road. So people don't always buy on the first exposure. You want to build that know, like, and trust factor with them. Just kind of like when Oprah says, this is something good to buy, we know who Oprah is. We don't even have to question it. So when people start to know who you are and trust you, they're going to buy from you. And then I wanted to give you some keyword ideas to market Uforia on YouTube. Now, YouTube is the second largest search engine under Google. So people go to YouTube all the time to research a product before they buy it. They go there to solve their problems, find a solution, so you can get in front of those people, and then they can buy from you eventually. But the first thing you want to do is to get a Google Chrome extension. This is completely free. It's called Keywords Everywhere, and that's going to give you an idea how many searches there are for each keyword a month. So the first one that I came up with is DNA testing for nutrition. You can go DNA testing for nutrition. You can go here and see that this is a great keyword. There's 1,300 people searching for that keyword a month. So you know that these people are actually looking for this product. If you want to see the competition for that, just type in all in title as one word and then a colon and then put in quotation marks your keyword. This is a great keyword because there's not that much competition for it. And if you know what you're doing as far as ranking videos, this wouldn't be hard to rank for. Because see, there's hardly any results. You want at least not more than one page, like 10 or less is perfect. So this would be absolutely incredible keyword. You can educate people on what is DNA testing for nutrition, what's all involved. And then I won't go through these just for time's sake, but these are also some incredible keywords: nutrition for muscle testing, brain health, elderly, teens, vegetarians. So people, you can just educate them on like what is good brain health, and then just have a call to action at the end of your video. If you want to learn a great supplement for brain health, click on the first link in the description below the video. I wouldn't leave a link just to your website. I would do a lead capture page where you can capture their name and email, and then just continue to provide value to them and have a link in your email to your product. And then the last one here is best MLM companies to join. There's a lot more competition with this, but this is people who are actually interested in MLM companies. You don't have to convince them that this isn't a scam. So that's a great keyword. And then another benefit for using YouTube is you can earn residual income from Google AdSense. When you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, within 12 months, you can apply for the Partners Program, and that's where people place ads at the beginning of your video, and you get paid a certain percentage of that when people click on the ads, or they watch 30 seconds of it. And this is some of my results. I just got approved the end of March this year, so you can see this is the amount of money that I've made since then. It's not a lot, but I'm just getting started, and the most is like $25, one day or $7. It's just, I earn money every single day from it. So this is something where if you build a YouTube channel, that's just an extra stream of income that you can have. So I hope you guys found some value in this Uforia review. If you guys are with Uforia and I didn't get the facts right, make sure you leave them in the comments below, or if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. And again, I'm going to leave a link to my blog post in the description below the video. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.